Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a visa application with CIEE, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents for your visa application. Ensure you have your passport, passport-sized photos, and any required supporting documents. Visit the official CIEE website to access their visa application guidelines. Select the type of visa you are applying for based on your program and location. Download the visa application form from the CIEE website. Fill out the form carefully, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Prepare your supporting documents according to the specifications provided. Scan all documents, making sure they are clear and legible. Create an account on the CIEE portal if you haven't already. Log into your account to begin the submission process. Upload your completed visa application form and double-check that all files have been uploaded correctly. Pay the visa application fee through the portal. Keep a record of your payment confirmation for future reference. Review your application one final time before submitting. Submit the application and note any reference number given. Monitor your email for updates regarding your visa application. Prepare for any potential interviews or additional documentation requests. Once approved, follow the instructions provided to receive your visa. Keep a copy of your visa for your records and refer to it when making travel arrangements. Be aware of any specific entry requirements related to your visa type as your travel date approaches. Follow all guidelines provided by CIEE and local authorities upon arrival. Enjoy your time abroad with confidence in your proper visa status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.